Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on this hardware and typing in DevCheck. Now install this free app called DevCheck Hardware and System Info and then open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Xperias. Come on! Dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!